Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just invest here. You just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down. You click here on your name here down, so then you can to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on subscription here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here you just can you get for one monthly here, you just click on subscribe here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Here add your credit or debit card, so then it's going to add with you on your ChatGPT app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.